Hello home buyers and sellers. The elections of 2024 is over. So are you curious about what happens to the housing market after an election year? You are not alone. Many buyers, sellers and investors thinking how a new administration or continued policies might impact real estate. I am here to help you to understand what typically happens in the housing market. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, Realtor and Real Estate Broker from the SF Bay Area. Election and what that could mean for you. First, let us start with the interest rates. After an election, there is often speculation around potential changes to interest rates as new economic policies can influence the Federal Reserve decisions. However, it is important to remember that the Fed adjusts rates based on economic data, not just politics. So, while changes could happen, rates typically remain steady until significant shifts in the economy occur. If rates do change, buyers and sellers may see adjustments in purchasing power which could affect demand and price. Next, let us talk about market activity and consumer confidence. Post-election periods can bring renewed market confidence as buyers and investors feel more clear about the direction of the economy. Buyers who held off before the election often return to the market once there is clear outlook. Buyers and sellers should also look at the potential new taxes and housing policies. Sometimes a new administration may bring chances and changes to tax benefits related to home ownership, such as mortgage interest deductions or property tax deductions. They may also propose programs to encourage affordable housing or incentives for first-time buyers. That is why it is important to stay informed on new policies and how they could impact your finances, especially if you are considering buying or selling. So, how can you best prepare your home search or sale post-election? The months following an election often bring gradual changes, and knowing what is ahead can make all the difference. The months after an election often bring gradual shift, so preparation is the key. Whether you are buying or selling, partnering with a real estate professional who understands market trends and policy impacts is essential. My team and me stay ahead of the curve to provide you with expert advice tailored to your unique needs. Let us navigate these changes together. Contact us to discuss how post-election dynamics may influence your real estate goals. We are here to help you to make the confident decisions. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, Realtor with the tradition of excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.